Hey everybody, so here we have this main board out of a desktop printer. So the reason why I'm showing y'all this is something pretty interesting that y'all might want to see. So this particular board was pulled out of a Kodak ESP Office machine. I don't know the exact model. I want to say it was from 2011. Matter of fact, this circuit board here is marked February 16th, 2011. I'm guessing that's the revision. It's AKS01-MB-V7. So on the back here you have your telephone hookups for your fax modem, USB port right there. Again, telephone hookups there, USB port there, and your power jack there. So this receives, I think it's 32 volts from a external power jack. Now of course some printers have the power supply unit built into the machine, and I think those generally put out something of like 32, 36 volts, something like that. It's a pretty common voltage I think with printers. But the reason why I want to show you all this is y'all might be interested to know what this thing runs on. So of course computers, obviously the most common architecture out there for PCs is of course x86, and of course there's also ARM out there, and ARM is another common architecture that you'll have for say mobile devices and things like that. And when I was taking this old printer apart and I pulled this board out, I noticed right here on this microprocessor it says ARM. So I believe that leads me to believe that this printer actually ran on ARM. So there's a little bit closer look at it there. It's made by Conexant. Sorry if I can't pronounce that right. There's your information there. So I mean, you have this microprocessor here, and you have all these cables here that interface with the various daughter boards, including the scanner. Here is where a CR2032 battery would have been installed. That used to keep track of date and time and settings probably. Here we have a Wi-Fi module, because this printer did have Wi-Fi capabilities built in. And we have connectors that go to various things, including the motors. Matter of fact, this board drove the two brushed DC motors that operated the paper feed as well as the print carriage. Now of course I know some out there would probably say, well, don't printers use stepper motors? Well, I do see stepper motors often in printers. However, it seems that over the years manufacturers have tended to shift over from stepper motors to brush DC motors with built-in encoders on them, as that's how they can track where the print carriage is, as well as the speed or rate of the movement of that, as well as the paper feed. So yeah, this is again a printer PCB out of a Kodak ESP Office printer. And of course I still have it attached to this board here, and I might have a screwdriver I can get that off with, so that way y'all can see the back side before I end this video. When you look at there, it actually fits. Y'all can see I got a lot of stuff going on my table here. Okay, so here's the back side of this circuit board. Not really much to see here. We do have some components back here, but nothing too much going on back here. But that's the back side of it. And of course here's the modem circuitry here. And of course phone jacks there. But yeah, that's a motherboard out of a printer, and it happens to run on ARM. Pretty cool. So anyways, the rest of it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, Thanks for watching this video from Q channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and tick the bell so you get notified of a new video I post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends to get the word out. In addition, I have a second YouTube channel, that's QCompMTDX. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.